Good morning. You're listening to News Radio. The flu epidemic has our city firmly in its grip. Already, 20,000 residents have fallen ill. The consequences for the economy are serious. Significantly fewer new videos will appear on YouTube.
Oh, everything hurts. I think I have a cold. My nose is running, and I have a headache. I feel really tired. Maybe I'll just stay in bed today.
At work.
Where's Chris? He should be in the recording studio by now. Who's doing the new video now? The YouTube algorithm will punish us. We'll never reach 1 million subscribers like this. You can't really rely on YouTubers.
Belgium has been without a government for 600 days. A sack of rice fell over in China. In France, as on every Tuesday, there is a strike. There is no trace of the well-known YouTuber Chris. Already it's been 2 weeks without a new video. How will subscribers react? For this, a report from the city center.
Drink a hot tea with lemon. Strengthen your immune system now. You want more health tips? Then subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post more regularly than the YouTuber Chris. The Street Survey.
Good afternoon. We are doing a street survey.
What's it all about?
Do you know the YouTuber Chris?
Yes, I've been subscribed for a year.
He hasn't posted a new video in 2 weeks.
Yes, terrible. But why?
What do you think?
Maybe he lacks motivation.
The contingency plan needs to be activated. We need to use old video footage. Let's cut the videos into small clips. And then we can make short YouTube videos out of them. Chris doesn't get paid for that, though.
Google, name flu symptoms.
The following symptoms can occur with the flu: runny nose, headache, and sore throat. Sometimes loss of appetite and dizziness as well.
I knew it. I have the flu.
What do you think? Why isn't Chris posting new videos anymore?
Maybe he's depressed.
As a successful YouTuber?
Maybe his success has gone to his head.
I'm exhausted. It's best if I call my boss first. I really can't make a video today. I hope the subscribers aren't mad. Maybe they'll look at the old videos.
Back to the studio. Our street poll shows it clearly. Subscribers are disappointed with Chris. Are YouTubers less resilient? Do YouTubers get sick more often? Let's ask a doctor about this.
The phone call.
Hello, boss?
Where are you?
I'm still at home.
Did you oversleep?
No, I'm sick.
For God's sake.
I'm sorry.
What's wrong?
A cough, sore throat, and dizziness.
Dizziness? You're lying.
No, I'm really sick. Google says I have the flu.
Okay. If Google says it, it must be true.
Are YouTubers less resilient than normal people?
Our statistics suggest they are.
Why are YouTubers sick so often?
They spend too much time in front of the screen. They don't exercise enough. They often eat an unhealthy diet. On top of that, there are negative comments from internet trolls.
Oops, a notification from YouTube? A new short video from Chris. Huh? I've seen that before. Does he use old material for his short videos? Now he's completely out of his mind.
Who's going to do the video now? We're going to disappoint our subscribers. Anna, Aiden, Valentina, Aisha, Tatiana, Elaine.
But
Maria, Megan, Misha, Snechka, Mo, Xiao, Yusuf. All of them will write angry comments.
I really can't.
Okay, get some rest. Get well soon.
Thanks, boss.
We'll talk on the phone again tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. Bye.
That was the news of the day. Subscribe to our channel now. Share the video with friends. Write a comment. Tune in again tomorrow. See you on YouTube.